Sitting up sipping on rum up a card. I cover my numbers, not telling about it. Chopping and kicking this shit like karate. See the fake ass shit, it get bent like a knife. I'm under composure, not losing my cool. Stay in my lane, never trip on my shoe. I get down on my knees, I'm refusing to lose. This shit is normal, this ain't nothing new. 3 steps ahead, I ain't nobody's fool. Respect on my name, I'm coming for you. Take bullets for the game, put in work, what it do. I pull up on them, showing what I'm saying in the flu. I pulled up before after I served her. Life is too short to be broke, being fake ain't cute. To take a look into the mirror with myself, stay true. I've been the truth, been the corners in the coop. I'm flipping my chickens in the trap, shake loose. My iPhone go retarded, kicking shit like Bruce. I make a difference, I'm proving I rule. How the fuck do you figure? I prophesy knowledge, my spirit intended, why they calling me nigga? You up the bowl and the spoon, but I am the juice in the soup. When I pull up on the scene, all I hear is you niggas go roof. Yeah, I bring the pain to your nerves like a tooth. Accelerate faster like I'm on a loop. I'm climbing the trust, let me give you the scoop. I done came way too far not to give you my juice. We never turn it back and I'm telling the truth. I cut him no slack when I'm in the booth. I'm nutty and sweet like a baby Ruth. Caught the baseline alley-oop. Mike, respect. I believe that I got the game all in check. We pull up VIP in a stretch. The limousine throw, it's a 3 all net. Everybody turning their neck, give me love, no rejects. I'm your main select, like a dream, no silhouette, now that's a bet. I gotta get it, I'm up on the move. Up early mornings, no time for the snooze. Money collected, my talent don't lose. The stage is my cage, music tapping like shoes. They're walking and biting like thunder and lightning. Upgraded my game and exceeded the heights. I told them once my balls will fight, my mentality is my right. I stay lit like motion lights, my swag dripping like spray by eye. In the beat, I'm the black ninja type. I've been about it, that's on my life. And like a star that's in the night, they may hate it, but that's alright. For once in life, this is my type, so we're popping like Friday nights. My twinkles are still shining bright, I'm in too deep, don't take me light. Hustling, putting that work, we're getting it. We're juggling plays and posing and fending. Can't have a game and you cannot offend me. It's a pun like them, I God do not ascend me. Somebody hate me, plotting my ending. I'm cooler than all of the windy cities. They doing my thing, don't pay them no attention. Piss on the spitting these bars, that's tension. Never been friendly, sorta relentless. Killers are bagging up balls in the kitchen. I'm gonna win this, ain't no quitting it. Solid as a motherfucking rock, can't break this. Undertaking, ain't no escape. Just give me the ball, let me shake it and bake it. Wake and bake, church.